Today we're here at Disney's Polynesian to check out breakfast at Ohana. The characters are back. We're about to meet Stitch. Is it worth your money? Is it still good? Let's find out right after that intro. Roll that intro.
I just wanna see the light.
Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today, like I said, we're eating at Ohana. Got my Stitch appropriate shirt on here, and I'm ready, and I'm hungry. So let's get in there and have some breakfast. The Polly's peaceful and beautiful in the morning, and we're heading right up there to the Great Ceremonial House to have the breakfast at Ohana. It's really a gorgeous lobby, and right now it's not too busy in the lobby, but very tropical. It can get quite busy though, because people hop off the monorail all the time and come over and check it out with good reason, because this is a beautiful resort. All right, they start you out with some pong juice and some of the delicious rolls. Nathan's already got half his pong juice down. It was delicious. Okay, the pineapple bread, delicious. And they already brought us out a thing of fruit. Oh, I see Stitch. He's hiding. He's playing with those people over there in the corner. We're excited to meet Stitch. And here's what we're working with. Sausage, ham, potatoes, biscuits, and Mickey waffles. We might ask for bacon. Last time they did that for us. We'll see if they can do it again. We also got Lilo. She'll be next. Looks like our next character is Pluto. They're doing an Ohana celebration. I'm guessing the characters are going to dance by in a second. That's fun. And the last character is Aloha Mickey. Oh, he looks all dapper in his outfit. I will say, it was about $200 for the four of us, 4 adults. Do I think it was worth it for the food? I don't know. Not really. It wasn't really anything spectacular or anything to write home about. I think dinner here is better. But dinner, you don't get the characters, so if you really want to meet Lilo and Stitch, this is your best option probably. But just keep in mind, it's a little pricey, and the food is just kind of like buffet. I mean, like our biscuits were hard. The Mickey waffles were good, but like the eggs were nothing to write home about. Standard buffet style eggs. The bacon was, we asked for bacon and they brought us bacon, and that was good. So the service was good. The characters were good. Just, I don't know if the food was worth $200. I think it's just the experience. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this video here. But make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer, because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Anyway, you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. Alright, I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say a fun time with Stitch down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far in the video. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.